Hi viewers, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a Facebook image ad in Photoshop. So viewers, watch this video till the end. My name is Sazaman Thanoli. Welcome to Get Information and Knowledge YouTube channel. Let's get started. Viewers, the image size must be 1080 width and 1350 height. It must be in pixels. You can see the canvas size also. It's the same. Width is 1080 and height is 1350. Viewers, what I will do is first of all click on the rectangle tool and set radius of rounded corners as 201 pixels. I will add the yellow color to it. I will then duplicate. Then I will add the logo at the top left corner. Then I will click on the text and add horizontal text. Then I will duplicate the text layer and move the text in the downward direction. Once again, I will duplicate the text and move the text in the downward direction. I will change its font style. Then I will select the rectangle and rasterize that layer, and then I will press the Shift plus Backspace key so that I can change its color to foreground. I will duplicate the rectangle. I will also change its color to black. Then I will again click on the text and add it here. Now I will select the ellipse tool and draw it at the top right corner. I will again select the rectangle tool and draw it. Then I will select the line tool and draw the line. I will then select the text and then add it here. Then I will select the ellipse tool and draw small circles. Now I will start duplicating the circles and move them at the right side one by one. Now I will select all the circles and then group them by pressing the Ctrl plus G, and then duplicate the groups and move them in the downward direction. Now I will slightly rotate the groups. I will decrease their opacity and then move them in the middle. Once again, I will select the rectangle tool and draw it. Now I will increase its stroke by double clicking on the rectangle layer and then checking the checkbox of stroke, and then I will decrease its stroke size. Now I will add contact us text on it. Now I'll select the triangle tool and draw a small triangle. Now I will add the WhatsApp and mail icon. Now I will duplicate the ellipse small circles groups and move them at the top. I will also decrease the opacity. Now I will export this image as JPG or PNG. Viewers, hope so you liked this video. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click or tap on the notification bell on all to get the notification of my latest uploaded information and knowledge videos.